don't say when something took place. Present perfect we shouldn't raise. If you use already just yet, then your sentence will be set. You've learned the present perfect tense, using for today your sins. Use the past participle form. Don't forget how it has before. If to say now is what you need, has and how done is your deed. If you want an example, I'll give you a few samples. I haven't gone to the park, 'cause at midnight it was dark. She is out of fear, but come and be sincere. Have you liked this song? Well, it's already